This lesson continues 9.2 surface area of pyramids, and instead of using a net today, you are actually just going to use the full 3D shape. And so this is finding surface area of square pyramids. So today is square pyramids, tomorrow will be triangular pyramids, and then we'll go from there. So your pictures might look something like this, and I want you to try to draw them with me. You'll have a square for the base, so try to draw a square. Draw 1 point, 1 vertex above it. Connect with straight lines to each corner. And then let's say this one, it shows that this is 3 centimeters from here to here. And then there might be a little dotted line through one of the lateral faces with a right angle, and that represents the height of that lateral face. So let's say that this height here is 4 centimeters. And so I would always start with finding the area of the base first. And so if you know this is a square pyramid, if one side is 3 centimeters, then you can assume the other side is also 3 centimeters. So to find the area of the base, you have base times height. And so you've got 3 times 3 in this case, which is 9. So this is 9 square centimeters. Then you want to find the area of each of your lateral faces. I'm going to change my color. So area of one lateral face. And so lateral faces on pyramids are always triangles. So you'll have base times height divided by 2 because it's a triangle. So for one lateral face, you have a base of 3. You have a height of 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the area of one lateral face is 6 square centimeters. Since the base is a square, it means you have 4 lateral faces. And let me draw a net so you can see what I'm talking about. You've got one base, one square, and then you would have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles that come and form the lateral faces. So if you want to find the area of all the lateral faces, so all 4, you could multiply 6 times 4 to get 24 square centimeters. So that would be all 4 lateral faces. And then your last step is to add together the area of your base, the 9, and the area of your lateral faces, the 24. So your last step is 9 plus 24, which would be 33. And that's it. Let me write the steps out in words. I think that might help. I'll write it on the side here. So step 1, I would find the area of the base. Step 2, the area of one lateral face. Oops. Step 3, area of all lateral faces. I'll use the LF as an abbreviation. And then step 4, add base and all lateral faces, all LF. And I think that should be good. There's only 2 problems today. They're both square pyramids. So make sure that when you're multiplying for your base, you use the same number for your length and your width because it is a square.